Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is this cute Santa hat eye look, which would be really cute if you were like going to work or just going somewhere out and you just wanted to look a little cute. I didn't do too much with my face. I basically just recorded doing my eyes. My hair is pre-curled from earlier and just stuck on a Santa hat. Didn't do anything else, just used some red lipstick. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below and I'll see you in my next one. Also, another one that I'm just going to let play. I'm not going to do a voiceover, just because it's easy but it's hard at the same time. So you know, just let me know in the comments if you're liking these just non-talkative ones, just looking with some video in the background, and yeah, that's it.